That is always good to know.
Yep.
Teenagers on a mission up with SABC Mzansi for show. Caddy and I are ready to take you guys on yet another mission. Namhlanje we are learning about the most abundant resource kulomhlaba, amanzi.
Yes, but besides ukuphuza amanzi, ogeza ngamanzi, or to water your garden, amanzi can actually be used for ezinye izinto like generating electricity. And then again, asibiza nge hydropower.
Yes, ukuphela kwe non-renewable resources as well as the effects of coal-fired power stations. We have been beckoned to move towards something that is more cost-effective, easier, friendlier to the environment, which is why we are talking about hydropower.
Yes, most definitely. With all the history of load shedding and blackouts, the demand of electricity has actually risen in Dwana. And again, generating electricity using water, the hydropower is definitely a sustainable way.
Let's check it out.
TOMz. A hydropower plant. Re batla ho nka a tour around the hydropower plant. Re kgona ho ithuta hore hantle motlakase ba o etsa jwang ka ho sebedisa metsi. Re shebana le the benefits of sustainable development in hydropower ka mohara society ya rona le industry ya teng. Re batla ho bona hore technology e re thusa jwang hore re kgona ho convert kinetic energy of water re etsa hore e be motlakase. Re batla ho bona hore history ya power plant yona e tswa kae. Re nke a glimpse into the future re bona hore hydropower e tlo kgona jwang ho e sebedisa as renewable energy source. Re bona hore wena o tseba ha kakang ha re bapala the TOMz game show.
Hi, Kibafetu, lifikile elo xesha where we take to our social media pages. Simon Maninani Tini ke ngombuzo wethu namhlanje, and it goes as follows. Amanzi angasetshenziswa kanjani ukwenza umbani? Alright, so we have Ayabulela saying hydroelectricity. Water goes through the turbines which will spin and in turn generate electricity. Nice. Utike uji waka gray. It is the energy made available by the flow of electric charge through a conductor. Very, very nice, guys. Ingati, you guys know what you guys are talking about, which is very, very good. Please do keep those comments coming through. Let's go see what our other friends have to say.
My name is Anastasia from IR Lesolang 12A.
12A. Hello, Anastasia. So, Anastasia, I have a few questions for you about water. Why do you think water is so important for you as a person?
Water is important because it's our lifeblood, I think.
So why is water important to you as an individual?
As an individual and a human also, I am 70% of water. Yes. So water is very important to me as an individual because I use it on a daily basis.
Water is very important in my life because everything evolves around it.
I want you to give a big shout out to those ones that you love. So let's go ahead.
I'd like to send a shout out to my mother, my family, and everybody I know.
To everyone who knows his mother and his family. You know what? You've been great. Thank you so much for your time. And I hope you flourish in life and have a good day, buddy.
Imbewu Science Foundation is where we at. But for Tulanagana, they are seeding future scientists. Right next to me is a young scientist, just Kasela Gabanzi, about his project. So let's get to meet him. Hello, boy.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yes.
What's your name?
Dylan.
Dylan, where are you from?
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Okay, so Dylan, tell me about your project. What is your project?
It's called the hydraulic arm.
Okay, so what is hydraulic arm?
Hydraulic is something that you use to lift objects.
So what inspired you to work with hydraulics?
I liked hydraulics, so I started to search on Google and then I found the project.
Okay, and what is your aim of your project?
The aim is to demonstrate how hydraulic works by moving objects.
Okay, so Nkazele, how does your project work?
It works like when you push the syringe, the water goes to the other syringe and the arm will rise. When you pull the syringe, the water will come down and then the syringe will go down.
Okay. So did you see any problem like around your surroundings or on TV or wherever to actually come up with this project?
No.
You didn't?
Yes.
So it was something that you loved and you created it?
Yes.
So how can it help people?
Like we can use hydraulics to help the people who don't have hands, elevators, cranes, planes, cars, and a lot more.
Okay, give me a high five. All the best for the future, ne?
Okay.
Give me another high five. Emission yethu namhlanje bafethu, we're focusing on hydropower as a clean, efficient and cost-effective way of generating electricity. Sabona ukuthi basebenzisa kanjani the power of water to actually generate electricity. Nokuthi lokho ekudala bayenza kanjani le ndaba le. Nokuthi in the future izobe ihamba kanjani le ndlela yokugenerate ugesi ukusebenzisa amanzi. Without wasting any time, check this out.
Hydropower kapa hydroelectricity ke process e leng hore o change energy e tswang mo flowing water kapa kinetic energy ya metsi o tlo kgona ho ithusa he ka mahara surface ya electricity. Ntho ena re regard as renewable energy source ka lebaka la hore he water cycle ya teng e tswela pele e ntse e ntjhafala ka lebaka la the radiant energy e tswang mo letsatsing through ongoing process it's e bitsang hore ke evaporation, condensation, precipitation le collection. Mo nakong e fetileng he the first uses ya hore sebedisa a power plant ke ka lebaka la mechanical milling e tshwana le hore re grinde di grains ka jokole he modern hydro plants di kgona hore thusa re etse motlakase ka ho sebedisa di turbines le di generators mo leng hore he mechanical energy e tswang mo metsing re sebedisa hore tsamaisa the huge rotors of a turbine.
Yes, but amanzi take up 75% of elilizwe. Thetha ukuthi only 25% is left for umhlaba. Amanzi anamandla kakhulu, which is very clear to see when the surface be riding the waves.
Definitely. Yazi ukuthi amanzi ane power bafethu. And it's ukubona ukuthi how is this power harnessed to actually generate electricity? Let's go check out the origins of hydropower.
Batho ba tsang ko creek ke bona ne ba sebedisa metsi ka ho etsa mabidi hore ba tla kgona ho grind wheat ba etse flour dilemo tse 2000 tse fetileng. The evolution of a modern day hydropower turbine e qadile ka the mid 1700s. E qadile ke a French hydraulic and military engineer o mitsang hore ke Bernard Forrest Bellador. And e wile a ngola the architecture of hydraulic. Ka 1880 dynamo e leng hore tsamaisa ke turbine ya metsi ne ba e sebedisa hore ba tla kgona ho etsa arc lighting e bile ke technique e kgonang ho ba thusa hore ba fumane an electric spark mo moyeng mahareng a di conductors tse two hore ba tla kgona ho kgantsha. Ntho ena ba e sebedisa ka mara theatre ko storefront ko Grand Rapids ko Michigan. Ka 1920 US Army e bitsang hore ke Corps of Engineers ba le ba authorized by Progress hore ba ahead the hydroelectric plant ka jokole corps e operator di hydro plants tse 75 tse le teng mo lefatsheng la rona kaofela. In 1936, one of the most famous hydraulic projects mo lefatsheng la rona kaofela e bitsang hore ke Hoover Dam, Arizona, ebile ba ehile ka ho sebedisa irrigation of water, controlling floods and supplying power.
Oh wow, man, the building of amadami were actually crucial for generating electricity.
Definitely. 40k amanzi awasedamini awamanga nje. They actually flow from one point to another. And dams are useful because they provide irrigation water as well as control floods.
Most definitely. If you love hydropower and you want to learn more information, hlala phansi ubhale 4. Don't move, don't shift, don't nyakaza. We'll be back right after the ad break. Welcome back, my face. You guys still tune in to SABC Mzansi for short. And let's teenagers on a mission. Hydropower and it's cutting some just facts that you need to know.
Yes, hydropower actually uses the Earth's water cycle to create electricity because of the movement of the water going down the stream, which creates kinetic energy, which can then be converted into electricity.
And if it's my face, hydropower cannot just be anywhere. That has fast-moving water throughout the whole year.
Yes, and hydropower is actually one of the most efficient sources of energy. Ngoba it actually has turbines that can reach 95% of efficiency.
As I want to refer to the insights of technology, it generates electricity using flowing water. What's up, Sanbonani? It's your boy CAWR, pronounced Kiari. Yet again on another mission, but this time I'm running the streets of Drakensberg, and it's a touchdown at Eskom. So, like Eskom, it's using a hydropower plant. What's up in some manzi to generate electricity? Let's go find out. So what is this
Sawubona njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Nami ngiphilile. Namhlanje ngizonivakashela I'm on a mission.
Yebo.
Yes. So sila Eskom hydropower plant, ne?
Yebo.
Before sikhuluma ngalokho, sichazele ukuthi wena ubani, where are you from and what do you do khona la ekhaya?
Okay, mina ngiuphilile Mbanjwa, ngiwakhona la KZN High Flats. Ngisebenza khona la Drakensberg Pump Storage Scheme, the Operations Support Manager in the Operations Department.
Okay. So mission yethu hydropower plant Intoni le?
Okay, in South Africa we've got hydropower stations, and kulama hydropower stations ayahlukana. Kukhona i-conventional hydro,
Okay.
okuwukuthi kukhona i-power station eyakhiwe la khona umvula. Sisebenzisa amanzi ukugenerate i-electricity. Bese sithatha ugesi from the grid.
Okay.
Sisebenzise wona lama generator manje asiyama pump, siphampe lamanzi ukuthi aye kwidamu lethu eliphezulu. Ngamanye amazwi sinamadamu awu-2.
Okay.
So that is how indlela esi-operate ngayo.
Okay, first things first, for sure umuntu obukele ekhaya uyazibuza ukuthi amanzi enza ugesi kanjani? How does that work?
Siyazi ukuthi emakhaya ugesi namanzi akuhlangani,
Yes.
akuhlale kunjalo.
Yeah.
Kodwa ke sizofunda namhlanje ukuthi siyakwazi ukuthi sisebenzise amanzi ukuphehla ugesi. Ukuthi sithatha amandla asemanzini,
Yes.
siwasebenzise ukuthena imishini yethu emikhulu ama-turbines, ukuthi lama turbine are coupled to i-generator, bese sisebenzisa that mechanical power to ukuthi igcine isi-electrical energy kwi-generator ukubona ke ugesi esesiwukhipha siwusa kwi-grid.
Okay, so Tina, we want to go in depth kulama departments thole kabanzi ukuthi kahle kahle operation yakhona ihamba kanjani. So when you're ready to introduce me okwabantu abazichasela kabanzi, I'm ready.
Okay, ngizocela ukwazisa ku-Andisiwe Mabaso okuyena ozokwazisa kabanzi nge-operations department.
Okay, masihambe. Sawubona sami kunjani?
Njani?
Ya ngiyaphila. So school operations?
Yes.
Okay, sichazele ukuthi bani igama and what do you do here?
Okay, mina igama lami ngu-Andisiwe Mabaso ngiqhamuka eScots la Drakensberg Pump Storage Scheme under operations department.
What's the important thing about the operations?
Into ebaluleke kakhulu lana ukuthi la department of operations sisenza sure ukuthi plant run under normal condition lapho check for leaks ukuthi nje yonke imishini irana kahle akunankinga akunama-alarms yonke into ihamba kahle.
Uyibaphi abantu osebenzisana nabo wena?
Ama-department esebenzisana nawo u-CNI, electrical ne-mechanical.
Okay, so imuphi esiyoqala ngayo sokumitha manje?
Singamitha uSpesi Hlabalala from electrical department.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you ready, nami ngiready ukuthi simithe. Sawubona Bhuti.
Njani mfethu?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Hayi ngiyaphila.
Sharp. So bangilethela kuwe bangitshela ukuthi uyi-electrician.
Yeah.
Ngicela ngichazele ngomsebenzi wakho usitshele nokuthi ubani.
Okay, igama lami nguSpesi Hlabalala Sibongo.
Sure.
Ngisebenza khona la ekhaya as an electrician in the electrical department.
Okay.
Umsebenzi wethu ukumaintainer nokwenza sure ukuthi yonke imishini esebenza ngogesi la ekhaya is up to standard.
Yeah.
Ama-lights lawa we also fix them. Everything esebenza ngogesi la ekhaya siphila nayo.
Okay, so tell me about your department. Why ibaluleke kakhulu? What are the most important things osebenza ngazo ngoba ngiyazi nala futhi produce ugesi, so that's the most important thing futhi. So ngicela ngichazele kabanzi ngalokho.
Okay, in fact njengoba sekuchazelile ngokuthi power station yethu isebenza kanjani from top dam to lower dam to machine.
Yes.
Sisebenza kuyo yonke leyo mdali, yonke leyo mzila lowo. Sisebenza ngokuthi kuma upper dams kudingakala ama levels, kudingakala kuvala ama gate kunemishini eminingi esebenza khona.
Yeah.
We supply electricity.
Yeah.
Ranging from voltage njengo 220 volt kuya phezulu.
Okay.
And even mawufika nala phansi power station yethu remember ukuthi sisebenzisa amanzi angithi mayifika amanzi la kunendawo la iphuma khona la kufanele angafiki khona. And then we don't want to flood the station.
Yes.
We've got ama pumps which are doing lowo msebenzi ukuthi maintain i-level yamanzi isendaweni right. We also power that lawo ma pump lawo.
Awesome. So when you say sebenzisana nabo bani ku department yakho?
Department yami is broken down to ama levels wabantu. We've got our supervisors, managers and technicians and artisans. I'm an artisan. We work together form a department. We also have amanye departments, control and instrumentation, mechanical.
Yeah.
Amanye asazolandela.
Okay, cool.
Yo, that is amazing.
Yeah.
A truly inspiring innovation, Betunana. Yazi, apart from moving water, generators ziyakwazi ukonvert other forms of energy into electricity.
Yes, like heat energy from steam, chemical potential energy from petrol, and wind energy as well. Khona manje bafethu asameni sophumula kancane sikhokha umoya siphuze namanzi. We'll be back with more teenagers on a mission.
Namgilekile futhi ke ku teenagers on a mission apha ku SABC 1 Mzansi for sure.
Oh yes, bafethu namhlanje all about hydropower. Sikhulume ne-experts earlier on wasichazela ama-inside technologies yabo we-hydropower. Khona manje sami sothola kabanzi ukuthi what is its sustainability and sustainable development? Sawubona Bhuti kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani mfowethu?
Nami ngiyaphila. Eyisebenzele endaweni enomsindo kakhulu yazi.
This is just almost at the turbine floor.
Yeah.
So kunomsindo kakhulu so mele ugqoke yona i-safety protection.
Oh ayi ngiyabona Bhuti wami. Sichazele ke sitshele ukuthi ubani and wena uyenza muphi umsebenzi khona la.
Ya mfethu igama lami nguLindo Kuhle ngwankosi. Ngisuka eNewcastle elokishini ekuthiwa isemadadeni. So umsebenzi wami ngisebenza ka control and instrumentation.
Okay.
Basically what we do thina lapha control and instrumentation is si maintainer ama instrument as the word control.
Yes.
Si maintainer okanye sinakekela ama instrument emshinini lawa akwazi ukumeasure iflow, i-temperature, i-level, the pressure, the speed nako konke okuningi okunye okusiza umshini ukuthi ke urane ngendlela effective. Then lelinye term lika control, it simply means ukuthi ke yonke into umshini oyenzayo, we sort of like write the control logic for it.
Okay.
So umshini urana nje ingoba ithina ka control esikwaza exactly esikwazi ukuprograma this thing for running. Yeah.
Ibantu osebenzisana nabo like department close now yiphi department ongasitshela ngayo that you actually work with?
We work hand in hand with all the departments. So it depends ukuthi ke like ama challenges or subject matter imbayelana nani. So the operator will tell me that there's a problem with the motor is not starting. So nami ngizokwenza i-fault finding esite la instrumentation, meaning I'll work with the SCADA systems, I'll also work with the PLC to find out where the fault is, and you might find ukuthi problem ikuyimoto. So lapho kuzobizwa umuntu waka electrical, so electrical department. So if we efike fault finding and he finds ukuthi kahle kahle ama bearing awangasekho right, then they'll also call any department which is mechanical department.
Mina as a mechanical technician okwami ngikwenza ukuthi ngenze sure ukuthi umshini urana safe. We have work packages for each and every task that we have, and we have a permit before senze umsebenzi. Like i-plant imele ibe isolated, ibe safe for abasebenzi ukuthi basebenze kuyona. And we have to make sure ukuthi we don't have oil leaks, water leaks, we repair such to maintain our plant in very good condition.
Okay, and in mind sebenza ngama equipment enjani ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi these big machines lana.
We have ama valves, we have a main valve that is an inlet valve. Isebenza kakhulu ukuvula nokuvala. If siya ku journey, siya ku pump like ops, they will operate the valve for us. We have turbine okuyona ke umshini omkhulu ngempela okuyiwona oshintsha this mechanical energy to electricity. We have shaft that connects i-runner kanye ne-generator. We have ama coolers, we have ama valves, we have ama pumps, we have ama compressors, we have ama vessels. We have a lot of equipment.
Okay, so for umntwana ohlele ekhaya oyintombazana or umfana ofuna ukuba naye i-mechanical technician, iphi advice ungamnikeza yona?
Into engamnikeza yona ukuthi ungasabi lutho. If umuntu osifazane ufuna ukuba ka-mechanical, yenza umsebenzi wakho, ufunde science yakho, uye esikoleni wenze mechanical engineering. Ukhiphe lesa stereotype ukuthi mechanical it's for abantu besilisa, manga mechanical ngeke ngiyifake inzipho, manga mechanical ngizobe ngingcola. Yes, mosaqala uyangcola. As isikhathi sihamba uyakhula kwi-field. Uyakhula kancane kancane. Do whatever that you like. Uyisho abekuthiwa yintoni, go for it. You are capable. You're welcome. Thank you.
There you have it, bafethu indaba yethu iphelela lana. We've learned so much about hydropower plants. Sabona ukuthi they definitely are sustainable and suitable. I mean, ukusebenzisa natural resources like water to generate electricity. Now that looks like a brighter future. Indaba yethu iphelela lana. This is what we call mission accomplished. Your boy C, you know how it is. I'm out of here.
All this time, we've been accumulating knowledge about indaba hydropower. So it's time for us to visit our school of the day. Sibon Babona, have they done the same in our TOMz quiz game show? Ooh, who will come out on top? Masbugelen.
Hello, hello, hello. This is your boy Hazel Riffle, and I am glad to announce that I am here at the IR Lasalang School in Pretoria. So, you guys know that we love our quizzes every day, and therefore we are going to have a quiz today on hydropower. Question number 1. There are factories that convert the energy of flowing water into the flow of electrons. Is that A, true, or B, false? Okay, boys, you hit the buzzer first. And what do you think that is?
It's false.
Unfortunately not correct, and therefore when you do get a question wrong, it automatically goes on to the other team. So girls, what do you think the answer is?
A.
Well done to the girls. You just score yourself 1 point. Let's go on to the next question, which is, why do hydroelectric stations build a dam across a river? Is that A, to raise the water level and to provide the drop needed in order to create a driving force? B, to purify water? Is it C, water hydration? Or is it D, none? And go! What's the answer? What are you guys going to say?
C.
Unfortunately, it is wrong, girls. This is your chance. So, you going to say?
D.
It's none. The answer is A. Now we are moving on to the third question, which is, what is the turbine connected to? Is it A, a windmill? Is it B, a generator? Is it C, solar panel? Hold on. Is it D, or electrical power source? Let's see what the boys has to say.
Generator.
Yes, the boy scores himself 1 point. Well done, well done, well done. That means we are tied in this situation. We all are winners, guys. You've been amazing. Thank you for inviting us over here. And we're heading back to the studio. This is Hazel. Out to you guys.
Oh man, sayithanda i-TOMz a game show because ngiyabona bafethu ukuthi nifunda okuningi and niyazi ukuthi la TOMz we got your back. Speaking of getting your backs, then again, niyazi bafethu ukuthi we always keep you updated with the latest innovations. Let's go check out what's going on in the future.
Mo bokamosong ba rena he o tlo ba le di-hydropower plants tse 6 tse le gore di tlo sebetsa with peak power output larger than a gigawatt by 2020. Tse 3 ba tlo di etsa ko Ethiopia, tse 2 ko Angola, A1 ba tlo etsa ko Mozambique. Di-Eskom plants he ha nako e ntse e ya they'll be decommissioned and seo sona se tšho gore re tlo theosa ka mokgwa re sebedisang coal gore tlo kgona ho etsa motlakase by 30% ha o fihla 2040 ho ya ka the integrated resource plan. Mo bokamosong ba Africa Borwa he o tšho gore re tlo importa hydropower from dinageng tse ding tse tshwana le Zambia, Zimbabwe le Zaire. The International Energy Agency kapa IEA ke an intergovernmental energy advisory organization mo leng re he ba batla ho sebedisa output ya hydroelectricity by double globally mo lefatsheng kaofela by 2050.
Hayi ke bafethu inkqubo yethu iphela kanjena ke. Sonke siyazi ba amanzi abaluleke kakhulu. I mean, they make up actually most of our bodies and we need to respect and take care of it in order to preserve it for future generations.
And not only that, we can also use water to generate electricity. If you've missed today's episode and ufuna ukutshengisa umngane wakho ntwana, go to www.sabcEducation.co.za/TOMz.
Yebo, yes ke bafethu. As we flow with our blue outfits onto you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Shaba fela re le tshwaretse mo lenaneo le latelang la TOMz. Re kopana le a solar power expert at Rooffontein solar power plant. Ronka e tour into the solar power plant re ithute na hore hantle solar energy re sebedisa jwang hore tlo kgona ho etsa motlakase. Re tla ithuta ka the history of solar power le re kgonne jwang to harness solar power. O se ka lebala ho shebela TOMz ka la bone la bohlano ka half-2 mo SABC 1 Mzansi for Shizzle.